So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, or at least I hope you can because I haven't made it yet, I have the Glitz Glam Box for the month of May. So if you want to see why I say this is one of my favorite subscriptions and what's all in it and what this is about, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, thank you for being here, and if you are new here, I will introduce myself. My name is Stephanie, and I am the host of this channel, and I will be your host for however many minutes it takes to go over this. Now guys, I am so tired. I know that I look very tired. I just got done recording a ton of videos. It is the morning, and usually my mailman, as I have a new one now, and he comes later in the day. So I was just I filmed all night, pulled an all-nighter, hence the look. I know. I just literally was sitting here kind of doing one of these, thinking what I was going to do next, if I was going to take my makeup off or was I going to make breakfast first. And lo and behold, here comes the mailman. So I was like, well, I guess I'm not doing that. So if I'm a little goofy in this video, I apologize. Let me tell you what we do on this channel. This is a beauty channel. It's a very laid back, very fun, all-inclusive channel about beauty, all kinds of beauty, inside and out. We may talk about mental health. Yeah, it's just an all-inclusive beauty channel. Like I'm incorporating now a lot more of having you drop comments down below. And what do you want? What do you want this channel to be? What do you want to see me do? Is there a product out there that you want to see me get? You want to see it in action before you buy it yourself? Then please, by all means, drop a comment down below and I will do my darndest to get it done. Guys, I'm not afraid of anything. I really am not. I will try anything once. Well, just about. But seriously though, on a real tip, definitely, please leave something down below and let me know what you want to see. It's just that simple. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Come on this journey with me. I'm just a girl who likes to play in makeup and I like to have fun. Forget about the world for a little while. Maybe laugh, maybe joke, and learn a little something along the way. Hit that subscribe button. Also, please remember to rate the video thumbs up. It really has been helping me out, guys. I'm starting to get shared out a little more, and that's wonderful. And yeah, but without any more jabbering, I will go ahead and get into the month of May. I can't believe I just literally got handed this by the mailman. It's always the first subscription to come. I thought Macy's was coming. I think I said it in one of my videos, so you might see that after this, I'm sure. Probably going to put this up. It is now Monday morning. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what time. But your girl is hecka tired, hecka tired. I almost fell asleep sitting here, but I was just watching back some of the videos that I did. I do have a long one coming, guys. Oh my gosh. But there's a surprise in that one, so you want to be mindful of that. And for those of you who are new, I have hidden giveaways all the time. I'm waiting for 750 to have a massive, once we hit 750, I have a massive giveaway planned. And oh my God, guys, it's a good one. It's a good one. I'm so proud of myself on this one. I really am. Okay, so with the Glitz Glam Box, this is one of my all-time favorite subscriptions, guys. It really is. Because I'm looking for my glasses, and here they are right in front of me. Because this subscription always shows up first. You know, it's usually the first one in the month. It always has a card, okay? And if you don't know about Glitz Glam Box, I will tell you it is $15 a month. And there's $2.99 for shipping. It equals $17.99. And in this month, it is, oh my God. So this is Beverly Hills 90210. It doesn't say it on here, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And oh my gosh, I used to watch that. Definitely. Okay, so it always comes in like a little tamale like this. Lots of wrapping paper for security. I don't think I've ever gotten anything broken, guys, in the subscription. Another reason I love it. And it always shows up on time. It's the first one of the month. I love it. Okay, and we do have the prices. Now, I will have to look, I'm sure, because this looks a little different. Chanelle, it's a little different, but I like it. So, all right. So we do have the prices, and we do have a little something about the product. So, again, it does come in a little tamale with a little sticker that says Glitz Glam Box. So, The first thing, okay, let me just tell you, with the subscription, you always get a lash and something sparkly, okay? Which I'm all about sparkle. So, let's just go ahead and do this. This is Never Basic. This is the Glitz Glam Box, and this is the pink, like, limited, I don't know if it's limited edition, but we have a pink box, which is oh so sparkly. There you have it. And this is Never Basic. They say Never Basics. We don't do basics, and they don't. And it says Never Basic Lashes. I'm going to open them up and show you. Okay, there they are. Oh, these guys. These are just a little too fluffy for me. I don't think I could sport these. My eyes are super small. Most of the time, I can wear just about any lash they send me. But I am more on the neutral side, you know. Well, their neutral side anyway. And I forgot to ask them to put it in this month. So guys, like, let me just tell you, a lot of times they will work with you. If you see like 2 styles of lashes, like this month I had 2 styles. And I normally would have said to them, oh, can you please give me the more natural style? But my box had already shipped. So I wouldn't have been able to do it. But you have to do it before your box ships. They're very, you know, accommodating when it comes to that. I try not to do it all the time, but, you know. But anyway, these are floofy, but I probably will put these in a giveaway because they're just a little too big for me. I do think that they're just a little big. Okay. I mean, they're nice, but just a little too big for my eyes. Okay, Pinky Star Never Basic Lashes. Glitz Glam Box. These are $12, and this is their own brand of lashes. Starlet approved, glam reusable, faux mink lashes. With these lashes on, you will definitely win your dreamboat's heart. Now, again, I don't remember which style these are. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. Oh, my gosh. Totally rad. Wow. Oh, gosh. This is so bringing me back. Okay. Totally rad. That is the style. And again, there they are. Oh, upside down. There they are. Okay, so that, like I said, these are $12. All right. So then we have this, and I think this is oh so cute. Let me make sure I know what this is. This is from Amuse Cosmetics, okay? Now, guys, I believe it sits like this, which is so cute. How adorable is that? This is the Liquid Love Liner Amuse, $5.99. Heartbreak much? Don't worry. You will with this long wear liquid velvet liner. It will stay put even when things are hot and heavy. Loving it. Okay, now I'm not going to open it. It is sealed, okay? And I do believe that this is in the, I think it's black. I think she said this was black, but this is just too cute. I mean, it's things like this that I just really adore. Like, such conversational pieces, and you can use it too. So that's a definite plus in my book. It really is. Okay, and again, that's $5.99. Now, we do have Brenda, Dylan, and Kelly. Brendan loves Dylan, and Dylan loves Kelly. When didn't that go on that show? Oh my gosh. This is so bringing me back. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Chanelle, for reminding me how old I am. This is the bad boy. Okay. And let's see. What is this? $14. Pay attention. This could be confusing. Brenda loves Dylan, a deep true red matte. The bad boy, a lilac mauve glossy, which is what I have right here. And Dylan loves Kelly, a cool toned red matte. Okay, so I believe that I have the mauve one. And thank you. I'm loving the mauve. I do not do red. Thank you for remembering, Chanelle. I mean, I don't know if I lucked out or if that was done purposely, but thank you just the same. And yes, oh, it is I love it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It won't go with what I have on. I don't even have, do I have any makeup left on? Probably not. Brenda loves Dylan, loves Kelly. Beverly Hills 90210. Let me show you the packaging. See that? That's so cute. So it is the lilac mauve and glossy. I'm loving it. I cannot wait to try that. Okay. It's not going to go with my look, and I'm about to eat. I don't have any lipstick on. Okay, I just popped on a little gloss because my lips were hecka dry. Okay. So yeah, that is the mauve one. And again, that is worth $14. So that's a little pricey, but hey, I'll take it because, you know, this box is only $15, guys, and I tell you, man, I don't know, it's just always been one of my favorite boxes. Okay, so we have the last thing, which is a palette, guys. No joke. And it is Brenda loves Dylan, loves Kelly palette. Beverly Hills 90210. Boom, there you have it. Of course, he has passed away, and that is very sad. He did a lot of things. He went on to do a lot of things, and we all remember her. That was Prue on Charmed, okay? And didn't hear much from her after this. Not that I remember. But she really hit it big on Charmed, let me tell you. But only for 2 seasons, so I don't even count her as a sister. Like, I know that's terrible, but okay. One of my other favorite shows, The Charmed Ones. I still watch that to this day. It's crazy. All right, so let me open this up. And guys, this is Solo Look. $29. Menage. Oh, no. What? Menage a Trois. Wow, really? Menage a Trois with this love triangle face and eye palette. Create endless and totally rad looks. It's totally rad, man. Whatever. I used to say, whatever. I used to talk like that. Oh my gosh, I so did. Comment down below. Who was the Valley girl? Now, keep it real and be honest. Don't be afraid. Okay, so here's the packaging. It's very nice. And on the back, we have the shadows, which is pretty cool. And here, again, we see this. And there's very nice on the background. Very nice sunset. I like that very much. It's a very cute palette. Oh, it's very pretty. Yes, I do like this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay. Yeah, this is right up my alley. Okay. So you got to see the shift. Okay, so wait a minute. So we do have a mirror, and there are the shadows, guys. I'm going to create a look with this. I sure am. And this is like wonderful because always you got the darker corner. Let's see. You have an outside dark corner. You can go very light with either this in the crease or this, and then pop on a shimmer. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Is this highlighter? Look at that purple. It's got a shift on it. Whoops. It's got a shift on it. Oh yeah. Look at my messy house. Okay. What? Really? Did I stick it? No. Look at this. Can I get the shift going? It's very hard to see a shift front on. It's easier from the side, but it's got like a bluish. Loving this. Okay, yeah, I'm liking the palette. So this is $29. Yeah, I'm going to create a look with this. Comment down below. Do you want to see this in action? I will create a look right after I get done with the other two videos that I just did. So that's cute. I like that. You know what? Check this out. Okay, this is very cool. This is a look right here. This is a look right here, and this is a look right here. Or you can absolutely go across. That purple can be popped anywhere. I mean, yeah, look, boom, 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 boom. Any way you look at any three, pick any three in a row, like even like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, with just any shimmer. I mean, pretty much pick any shimmer. Across. I mean, it's just anyway, you know, you see what I'm saying? Excellent. Okay. Again, $29. All right, guys. So that is Glitz Glam Box for the month of May. Tell me down below, do you get this subscription? Do you like this subscription? And what do you think of this month's subscription? I mean, the items that are in this. Ooh, hope I didn't mess it up. What do you think of the items that are in this month? I like it. Listen, I enjoy the subscription. I get excited when I know it's coming. So, unlike a couple other ones that we are going to talk about because they are on their way. Oh, yes, they are. When I do like this, when I say I'm not kidding, that's serious. So, for the newcomers, when I pull my glasses down and I look at you like this, that means I'm for real, not kidding. And we have a lot of things to talk about. Ipsy. Oh, boy. What a drama that created. But anyway. Not in this video. No drama. Drama-free zone with Glitz Glam Box. Always have the prices. I will leave the total of the box right here, guys. And again, it's $17.99. You can't go wrong. You get a lash, you get a palette, you get a lip, and you get a liner. Always something sparkly, okay? Which, there it is right there in the palette. I mean, oh my gosh. I love it. I love this subscription, and I do love the owner. She's a sweetheart. The CEO, Chanelle, and her sister, Lauren, who run this company. Great job. You did it again, guys. I don't know how you continuously do it, and your price doesn't change, although I'm not complaining. Just keep up the great work, guys. And if you don't know, Chanelle, she has her own brand called Hot Kitty Beauty. Please go over and check that out. I will leave that link down below to take you over to that website as well. She has some wonderful things. I am one palette short of having all of her palettes, and I'm going to get it if it kills me. Just have to get some money first, my car. Anyway, so I don't want to talk about it. You'll hear about it in another video. So guys, remember, if you have not yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Come, join me on this journey. Have a great time doing it. Let's laugh, let's joke, let's have a good time. Let's forget about the world for a little while. I mean, there's so many things to worry about nowadays. Makeup should not be one of them. So remember, if you are, you know, going through something with this world right now, who wouldn't be? Please talk about it. Please share with somebody that you trust, somebody that you care about. It will make you feel better, I promise. It, you know, it will not hurt you. Also, be that friend who listens when someone grabs you. You just may help them. And like I always say, guys, in this crazy mixed up world, the most important thing is please stay safe. Until the next one. See ya.